In this video, I will discuss a lot about suffixes. It is necessary to remember suffixes spelling rules in order to enhance vocabulary and in order to write spellings correctly. So let's learn what are suffixes. Suffixes are those letters or those words which we use to make new words. For example, ed, it is a suffix. When we add this suffix to any word like charm, charmed, so the meaning of that base word is changed now. So what suffixes do? Suffixes change the meaning of the base words, due to which your vocabulary enhances and you can have creative and full expressions of your thoughts. There are two types of suffixes, vowel suffixes and consonant suffixes. Vowel suffixes are et, s, and consonant suffixes are s, les, nes, ment, li. Now, I will discuss suffixes spelling rules. Let's first discuss the rule number 1. Double the consonant. While adding suffixes, sometimes we double the consonant of the base word. But when? If the base word has a short vowel and one consonant, as in fat, see, a is a vowel and t is a consonant. So when we will add suffix, what we will do? We will double the consonant. Fatter, F-A-T-T-E-R, fatter. Similarly, flipped, swimming. But there is another condition that we have to double the consonant if a base word is a multisyllabic word and L at the end. For example, cancel, cancel. There are two syllables, so it is a multisyllabic word, more than one syllable. So first condition is met and L at the end. In cancel, L is at the end. So when we will add suffix in these kind of words, we will double the consonant. Cancelled, controlled, fulfillment. But there are some exceptions to the rule. Words end in W, X or Y. In these kind of base words, we don't have to double the consonant. There is another rule for adding the suffix. We have to drop the silent E. But when? If words end with silent E and we add a vowel suffix, then we will drop the silent E. For example, drive. Drive is ending with a silent E and we are putting ing. It is a vowel suffix. So what we will do, we will drop the silent E to put this suffix. Driving. Other examples can be hopping, maker, user. But there are few exceptions, as in like and size. If we add the vowel suffix, then we will not drop the silent E, likeable, sizeable. Let's learn another rule. When we have to keep the final E, if we add suffixes li and full, then we will keep the final E, as in late. In late, there is a silent E and we are putting li as a suffix. So we will keep the final E. Lately, lovely, useful. Another condition is if the base word ends in C-E-G-E, E-E and Y-E, then we will keep the final E. For example, advantage, it is ending with GE. So we will keep the silent E when we will add suffix. Advantageous. Other examples can be noticeable, hankering, eyeing. So, you have to know the difference between when to drop the silent E and when to keep the silent E. The rule is very simple. If the words end with the silent E, similarly for this rule, the word is ending with the silent E. But what is the difference? Here we are putting a vowel suffix and over here we are putting li and full, or the word is ending with C, G, E and Y, E. Now I will discuss when we will keep the Y and when we will change the Y to an I. In the base word, let's see enjoy. Enjoy is ending with a vowel and Y. So when we will add suffix, we will keep the Y as in enjoyed. On the contrary, if the base word ends with a consonant and Y, as in beauty, T and Y, T is a consonant and Y. So what we will do? We will change the Y to an I as in beautiful. But there is some exceptions to this rule. Dryer, babyhood and ladyship. But when we have to keep the Y, you also have to remember this rule. If the suffix starts with I, then we will keep the Y as in worry, worrying, caring, supplying. This is the last rule for adding suffix. Change IE to Y. But when? When a base word ends in IE, then change Y. When you add suffix ing, as in dying. See, this word is ending with IE and we are adding suffix ing. What we will do? We will change I to Y, as in dying, tying, lying. I tried to make all of these rules very simple for all of you. But still, if you are confused, is anything about phonics, grammar, and advanced phonics rules, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and also on my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Please subscribe and like.